Hello guys, welcome back to my lesson. In this video, we will have some exercise about equation. And the first question is quite easy. Let's classify each of the following as an equation or not an equation. Okay, let's go. Question 1. You got two sides of this. You got two sides of the equal sign here. So this one, of course, that is equation. The second one will be equation 2. The next one, you got both side, left hand side and right hand side here also be the equation. Question B have only one side. We have no equal signal here, and that's why this is not equation. Of course, this one will be equation. The equal sign here, the equal here, so equation. Not, we have no equal sign here, and then you can make conclusion is this is not equation and not equation. Yeah, that is the first question. The second question, classify each of the following the equation are true or false. Yeah, okay. The question A, the left is 5 and the right is 5. So this equation is true. This one is 5, the second one is 6. So this cannot be equal together. So this is not false. It is a false equation. Here is 4 and here is 6. This cannot be equal together. Question 3. If x equal to 2, 10 plus 8 equal to 12. True or false? Okay, so say subtraction. You got 8 plus 10 equal to 12. And x equal to 2, so that's why you got here is 12 equal to 12, so here is true. Of course, that's quite easy, right? And the next one, consider the equation here, x equal to 5, state the value of the left hand side. Okay, which one is the left hand side? You got 4 plus 3 times x equal to left hand side. X equal to 5 means 3 multiply 5. After that, you got here is 4, here is 15, and then you got 19. We finish question A. About question B, x equal to 5, state the value of the right hand side. The right hand side means 2x plus 9. So 2 multiply x is mean 5, add 9, you got 19 here. And about question C, the equation here true or false if x equal to 5. Yep, the left hand side is 19 and the right hand side is 19. That's why you got here is true. Yeah, both sides of this equation are equal together. Question 4 we finished. And question 5, whether state whether it is true or false. Here is true. This one is 10. The other side is 10. Yes, this is true. Here is 100. No, 11 multiply 12 equal to 132, and the other side is 144. So this is false. Here you got 60. This one 32, so this is 4. And here is 6. The right hand side also be 6. Here is 8. The other side is 4. So this is 4 and this is true. Question 5, we finished. Next one, you got this question. Okay, now take calculate about question G. You got 2 multiply with 3 minus 1, 2 times 2 equal to 4. So here is true. Question 8. You got 5 minus 3 because 2 plus 1 equal to 3. The other side is 7 minus 4. Here is 2 and this one is 3. That's why you got here is 4. Question I. You got 3 equal to 3. Of course, this is true. Question G. About G, you got here is 2, 17 minus 14 minus 1. Here is 3 minus 1, and this is 2. So 2 equal to 2, this one is 2. Question K. The left hand side is 10 plus 2, you got 12. And the right hand side, you got 12 minus 4 equal to 8. Of course, this have to be 4. Question L. 1 times 2 times 3 equal to 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6 also. Yes, so we have here is 2. Question M. 2 times 3 times 4, 6 times 4 equal to 24 for left hand side. 3 plus 4 plus 2 equal to 9. So here is 4. Here is 4. Okay, question N. About question N, you got here is 100 minus 25 equal to 75. The other side is 20 times 5. You got 100. And of course, here is 4. Question O. You got 2 minus 1 equal 3 minus 1 equal to 2. And for this one, you got here 7 minus 5 equal to 2 also. That's why you got here is 2. Yeah, we finished question O. Continue question 6. If x equal to 3, state that the equation is true or false. Question A. You got x equal to 3. 5 plus 3 equal to 7. 8 equal to 7. So here is 4. Question B. X plus 1 is mean 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Yes, this is true. Question C. 13 minus 3 equal to 10 plus 3. Here is 10, here is 13. That's why you got C is 4. Question D. You got 6 equal to 2 times 3. Of course, this is true. This is true. Okay. The next question, you got 7. B equal to 4. State whether each of the following is true or false. B equal to 4. 5 times 4 plus 2 equal to 22. 20 plus 2, 22, then 22. So here is true. Question B. 10 multiply B minus 4 minus 3. And here is 4 plus 4 plus 2. This is equal to 10. And then you got here also be 10. 4 is 8 plus 2 is 10. This is true. Question C. 12 minus 3 times 4 and then 5 minus 4. This is you got 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Here is 1 and of course it have to be 4. And about D. Question D. You got 4 multiply with 4 plus 1 equal to 20. 4 times 5 equal to 20 and then the other side also be 20. Yes, it is true.